One comment we've heard a few times over is that rotary engines are unreliable because they use engine oil. But a rotary engine is actually more reliable when mixing the correct amount of oil with the incoming fuel. A lack of oil consumption will accelerate wear and damage your motor. A simple 6-minute test at 2,000 revolutions per minute should see around 2 cubic centimeters of sump oil from the metering pump. Our 12A6 port is on the other side of the spectrum, receiving twice the dose of oil recommended in the factory service manual, not to mention the extra 250 milliliters of two-stroke semi-synthetic oil we throw in every fill-up. So we'll need to reduce that to avoid carbon buildup on the rotor faces. Originally a mechanical oil metering pump, or OMP, featured on the engine's front cover. This fed an adjustable measure of engine oil into the fuel. Linked to the accelerator shaft, the pump increases flow as throttle is applied. Some of the OMP seals can wear, so Atkins Rotary in the US sells a simple rebuild kit for the serviceable parts inside. Originally, oil was injected into each of the fuel bowls inside the carburetor, mixed engine oil nicely with the pool of petrol. But this setup had a delay in supplying increased oil demands at high RPM. So by the time the RX7 came along, the injectors were moved into the throat of the Nicky primary circuit. When Mazda's first turbo engine came along with fuel injection, 2 more oil metering ports were added, injecting oil directly into the top of the rotor housing via a pair of banjo fittings, and air pressure provided by the lower intake manifold, not only improving lubrication, but lowering heat internally as well. Either way, to sum up, oil is a rotary engine's friend, but not too much. Maybe you learned something today, maybe not. Why not hit the follow button anyway?